Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. If you're new here, my name is Hadassah and you're watching HP Life and Style. So today we're just going to be doing my typical reveal. I guess a little bit not typical because I don't have a box up here to show y'all. I actually got these items, one of them like 2 weeks ago and one of them at least a week, maybe both of them, 3 weeks, 2 weeks. It's been a while. Anywho, y'all, both of these are Coach items. I think my last Coach items of the year, and I had to get both of them while they were in stock. And one of them, it's a tragic story, y'all. So it's a little bit tragic. So let's talk about the big item first. And by big, I mean bigger than the other one. Because y'all already know how we do on this channel. Okay, it's mini, it's small, it's teeny. Y'all, this is too cute. Like, can we talk about how cute this is? Like, it's so, like, this is, okay, I have big hands for a girl, but my whole hand, like, covers this. It's sitting in the palm of my hand right now. Like, this is so cute. And typically, I don't go, this is in the like Coach monogram canvas, and I usually don't go for that, but it was just a little bit in a little bag. So it was okay. I went ahead and did it. So the handles, let's talk about it. Oh, what is this bag called? This is called the Coach Micro Rowan. So Coach has a bag that's kind of similar to the Speedy, kind of called the Rowan. And this is the micro size. And then they also have a mini size that's like a bag charm, y'all. It's a bag charm. So, but this size I cannot pass up. Okay, so you see how it's like lighter monogram right here, and then on the sides it is a darker monogram, and the handles are snake skin, and it comes with an adjustable strap so you can wear it crossbody, and the bottom is just a continuation of this color right here, and it comes down. You see how it comes down a little bit on the sides, so it doesn't stop at the top. It comes down a little bit. So let's open it up. And of course, y'all, this came fully wrapped, of course. Don't worry about that. Like I said, I got this a couple weeks ago. This came fully wrapped, fully stuffed. I had to really dig to get the stuffing out of here. And it has the little silica gel packs, of course, that I did leave on the inside. And this is what the inside looks like. It has a pocket right there, as you can see. And what are those on the other side? Oh, it's just a story patch on the other side. And it has a little piece of like wrapping. So y'all, I haven't used this. In case y'all can't tell, I haven't used it. So it still has this little bit of wrapping on it right here. Let me take that off. And so what will it fit? Okay, I will tell y'all, I'm currently filming with my iPhone 11 Pro Max, but y'all, it fits an iPhone 11 Pro Max. I actually took the case, with the case off. With the case off, it'll fit an iPhone 11 Pro Max. I don't remember if it fit this phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I don't remember if it, I don't think this one fit. Yeah, it won't fit this one. Will not fit the bigger Samsung phones, because we all know Samsung phones are bigger than iPhones. So it will fit your iPhone 11 Pro Max though, which I was very surprised about, because I mean, look at how teeny this is. We don't think it'll fit anything, but it actually fit that phone. So that was a nice surprise. But otherwise, it'll fit everything else. I don't know, this is a lip liner, so you can kind of see how that fits there. I don't have my keys down here with me, but it'll definitely fit your keys. It's a mini bag. Whatever else you pack light, your little card cases. I don't have a mini pochette. I think you might be able to stuff a mini pochette in here. Possibly. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. Just see if it fits. I don't know. Oh, so this size, I believe, it's not, I think the Nano Speedy is a little bit bigger, but this size right here, this Micro Rowan, is pretty comparable to the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. So if you've been eyeing that bag, but I don't know, maybe aren't able to get it because it's always sold out, or you know, you just don't want to spend that kind of money on a mini bag, I think this is a great alternative to that bag. It's very comparable in the size and the look of it, except, you know, it's Coach. And it has the Coach monogram instead of Louis Vuitton. So, next item I'm going to be showing y'all is the fail. Okay, so first off, what we're going to do first is talk about how cute this is. Okay, because that's what we do here. This is too cute, okay? Just a size comparison, it's pretty big. This is pretty big. So, see if I can get. So, oh yeah, I'm just trying to show y'all the colors. So, gorgeous coloring, back, front, and as you can see, it's a heart shape and it unzips, and the inside, oh, this is so cute. It has like a story patch right there that also has the rainbow letters. So overall, this is super cute. And when I ordered this online, it's supposed to be like a wristlet kind of. So it's supposed to have a gold chain right here. And I don't know if you guys can see, but this doesn't have a gold chain and there's nowhere for a gold chain to be. So I received this in the mail, and you can imagine I was pretty surprised that I saw no gold chain, and it's sold out everywhere online. So I called Coach customer service and they want me to send it back so they can send me another one. But honestly, like I said, it's been a few weeks. I was supposed to send this back the other week, and I finally made this video because I decided that I am not going to be sending it back after all. Y'all can let me know in the comments what y'all think I should do. I'm not sending it back, but would you have sent it back? I don't know. So on the pictures online, and I will insert some pictures for y'all. On the pictures online, there's like a loop here where the chain is attached to. There's no loop on here. So I'm like, is this a defective? Did I get a defective coin purse? I don't think so. I honestly think they made it like this on purpose and maybe posted the wrong picture online. And I don't think they have the right version. Honestly, that's what I feel. And I feel like I would have sent this back and they would have sent me the same thing. And I would have wasted my time because we all know how shipping is around the holidays. So, and I never went to go send it back because they were like, do you just want your money back or what do you want to do? And I was like, I want the right one. And what I feel like they should have done is they should have just sent me another one. That's what I feel like should have happened. Because it was a mistake on their side. I feel like some extra things could have been done there, but they were like, okay, you can send it back and we'll send you another one. And that's too much hassle, I feel like, for me, for a mistake that y'all made. Y'all should have just sent me the right one, because what are y'all gonna do with this one? It's defective. You gonna try to sell it again? No. So you might as well let me keep this one and then send me the correct one. I mean, that's what I feel like should have happened, but no. They wanted me to send it back, write exchange on the thing so I wouldn't be charged for shipping and some extra stuff And it was just a lot. That was just a lot for me to be trying to do. So I finally decided that I wasn't going to do it because I hadn't done it yet. So I wasn't going to do it. So I'm just going to keep this one. And like, it's gorgeous. I do wish it had the chain, you know, but the chain isn't why I bought it. We all know why I bought it, because of the multicolor. Y'all know how I feel about multicolor. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep it like this. And like I said, it's a coin purse. I honestly do not know what I'm going to use this for quite yet, but I mean, I'll just throw it in my bag empty if we being real, because that's how cute it is. So, yeah. Also, oh yeah, that's the other thing. The version that I saw online with the chain, like the top, you see how the top here is white? It was blue. The one online was blue. So they made different versions of this, and I think they're just out here trying to do, I don't know what they're trying to do, but yeah, I'm highly suspicious that they do actually have a version with the chain. Like, I just don't think they do at this point. I don't. So, oh yeah, it has the gorgeous Coach. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it says Coach in gold metal on the front. So, I mean, it's super gorgeous as is. I don't need the chain. So I'm just gonna keep this. But like I said, let me know what y'all think. Do y'all think they actually made a version with the chain? Do y'all think I should have sent it back? Would you have done like me and just like, you know, this isn't worth the hassle? Because that's where I'm at this point in my life. So these are the two super cute items that I got from Coach Outlet. Because y'all know that's my favorite place to shop. Coach Outlet online. I got both of these, and I'm super happy with my purchases overall. Like I said, would have been nice to get the right version, but overall, I'm super happy that I have both of these in my collection. And like I said, these are my last Coach purchases of the year. So yeah, both of these are sold out. I won't be able to link them for y'all below. I will try to link like the regular size Rowan, and I think they might have the mini one on the website right now, but this is sold out. This is sold out. The guy was like, I was like, are y'all gonna be able to send me another one? Because it's sold out online. He was like, we have one left, and that we got one left. I don't trust it, y'all. I just don't. Yeah, we have one left, and we're gonna send you that one that we have left. Really? One? And you're gonna send it to me, and it's gonna be the right one this time? Really? I don't trust it, y'all. I don't. So therefore, I will be keeping my little Defective Coach item that they sent me the first time. But anyway, this is super cute. I can't wait to wear this. Like I said, I haven't worn it yet, but I can't wait to wear it. Does this have a hang tag? Oh, y'all, this is the smallest hang tag ever. I didn't even see it. Look at this. This little hang tag is too cute. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is oh, I forgot to talk about this pocket right here. It has a pocket right here in the front. Let me open it and see if I can, yeah, I don't know. Just stick a cough drop or something in there. You know, it's a teeny tiny pocket. Y'all know what this bag is for. What all mini bags are for. To look cute for decoration. It's not to actually be functional, and that's okay because we have other bags that are more functional. So, as always, thank y'all so much for watching. Please don't forget before you leave to like, comment, and subscribe. And you know what I think I'm gonna do? So I have this little hand right here. Let's see if this will fit. You know what? It won't. I thought it would for a hot second. I thought it would fit, but it won't. I was just gonna have this up here and look at it throughout the day on my desk. But yeah. So yeah, extra bonus content for those of y'all who stayed. This is a phone holder that I had one of my coworkers, one of the ladies that I used to work with, make for me. And then she painted the nails red. Like, how good did this turn out? Like, this was her first time doing it, y'all. And I like, see, that's me, y'all. Like, once people I know say, like, oh, they're doing this, I'm like, okay, I want you to do this one specific thing that I haven't been able to find online that nobody's done. And she did it, and it looks amazing. And yeah, you just stick your foam in here, you know, like, so as you're working, and you know, you don't want to be looking down, and you have your phone right here, you can see, like, oh, can we talk about it? It's too cute, y'all. It's too cute, and it holds your phone perfectly. So I got the hand off of Amazon, and of course she did the rest with her little blingy crystals and whatnot. But this is one of the best purchases that I've ever made, and it's a great addition to your desk. So yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous. And like I said, I thought that it would hold this, but maybe like that. Y'all, that's ghetto. It's not actually holding it. Oh, maybe. Not really, but anyway, I just wanted to look at it, y'all, because it's pretty while I work. But anyway, I'll see y'all next time.